the Delphi murders case. The suspect in the 2017 killings of 2 Indiana girls is due in court today. Some of the key evidence in the case coming from one of the girls' phones. Alex Perez joins us now with the details. Good morning, Alex.
Hey, good morning, Robin. Yeah, we've heard that chilling audio from Libby's phone, and soon we will know what other evidence prosecutors have in this case. The start of this trial is something Abby and Libby's family have spent years waiting for.
This morning, jury selection underway in Fort Wayne, Indiana, in the long-awaited trial of Richard Allen, charged with the horrific murders of 13-year-old Abby Williams and her friend, 14-year-old Libby German. The small, tight-knit Delphi community was rocked when Abby and Libby disappeared after going for a hike at the Manon High Bridge Trail. Their bodies discovered Valentine's Day 2017. Police spent years soliciting and investigating thousands of tips from the public, but the big break in the case unfolding after investigators linked a bullet at the crime scene to Allen's gun.
I believe in a God of justice and righteousness. Today, I believe that same God has provided us with justice for Abby and Libby.
Allen, a Delphi resident who worked at the local CVS, in custody since October of 2022. Before his arrest, a social media photo shows Allen standing in front of a flyer depicting that suspect police were looking for.
You know, it's hard. How can somebody do that and then just go on living life like nothing happened? I don't understand. Probably never will understand that.
Among the evidence expected in court, this picture Libby Snapchatted of Abby near the trail and this image from Libby's phone that police believe shows a suspect, along with this chilling audio clip. Authorities have not released any details on how exactly Abby and Libby were killed. Allen's defense argues the girls were killed by a cult performing a ritual, not Allen. But the judge ruled the jurors will not be allowed to hear that theory. Prosecutors say prison recordings and communications reveal Allen allegedly confessed to the crimes more than 60 times while in custody. The defense attributed those confessions to a decline in his mental health, but the judge ruled those recorded confessions can be used in court.
It's going to be really hard for the defense to deny 60 alleged confessions. They are going to have to show such proof that his mental health was significantly declining and that somehow these statements were either more made up or they were visions of grandeur or something else. So that's going to really come down to when the jurors hear this evidence, how do they feel his state of mind was at the time? What do they see? And how much do they believe the expert that's going to testify for his mental health on behalf of the defense?
And once seated, the jury will be sequestered and moved to Delphi for the trial, which is expected to last about 6 weeks.
All right, Alex Perez for us. Thank you so much.